Hey guys, welcome back for another fun Minecraft activity. Today we're going to be making some brick character faces that are fun to make and easy to display. All we need are some building bricks and your device. That's it. Okay, so the first step is to go online and find the characters that you will make with the colors that you have available. You know, I like to print mine out like this just so I could have it in front of me on paper, but you could do it on your phone or tablet if you like. That's perfectly okay. All right, so once you choose your character, you'll have to count the number of bricks that you need. I always use an 8x8 matrix, but you could go bigger if you like. Just remember that each single peg of brick equals about 1 pixel. So if your character has 4 yellow pixels across, kind of like this, then you can use a 4-peg brick just like that. You know, you could use any brick combination you have. And here's another hint. It could be as thick as you like as well. I like mine to be 2 pegs thick just like that so that it can stand up and it could be displayed. Okay, so let me make this one real quick so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna follow the picture and I'm adding 1 peg per pixel. So once I'm done, it should actually look something like this once it's complete. Now remember, you can make as many characters as you have the right color of bricks for. So that's it. I hope you like this quick Minecraft activity. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, check out the other cool videos and don't forget to let us know what you built down in the comments below. Thanks again for watching. It was fun. Stay safe, stay active, and always stay inspired. I will see you next time. See you later.